You got any sevens?
Yung mga dati, may
Dito? Dapat halos yun. Ang galing iba. Udah sana.
Once upon a time, under the sea, there was a little town called Bikini. In this town, there was a place called the Krusty Krab. Folks would come to eat a thing called the Krabby Patty. Every greasy spoon has a fried cook, and the one who worked here was named SpongeBob SquarePants. One thing worth talking birds, and that would be singing birds. Okay, yeah,